We're going on a date. It's a Friday, all the kids are at school, all 7 of them, which leaves just the 2 of us at home. So we decided that we'll come and go out for a dive.
Going for a snorkel and see how I feel in the water.
Yeah, that's us. It's going on towards midday now. It's nice low tide. First step, cleaning the masks, very important. You don't want it fogging up when you're out diving. Now she's in the water already. No mucking around. Here she goes. I was chasing after a fish here, but it was too fast for me and I ran out of gas. So with this one, I now just took a shot at a parrotfish. It was on my spear. As I was just pulling it out, it got off my spear. So hard luck on that one. So with this one, I was just swimming along and I happened to see this clam on the reef, so I decided to just go down and have a look. As I was diving down and just inspecting it, I saw it was just sitting on top of the rocks, and one side was pretty loose, so I was just able to pry it free with my hands. It came off easily. So yeah, so that was a good one, a lucky one for me. Beauty. This one here, I was chasing after trevally, going, but it was getting away too fast from me, and then I ran out of gas also. Then I have to come back up for here. Need to practice on my breath hold so I can last down there a while longer. This one also, diving down to shoot a fish, and I took a shot, but then I missed. So I saw a malopa wahoo, I think it's a rusty job fish. There's quite a few already that I have attempted, but I missed, or they just got away too fast. I was trying my luck on this one again. Took shot and was lucky to land this one here. I got it. Pretty stoked that I managed to get one finally for today. Here it is. And now we're on our way back home. So we just went out, got to Utuko, then on our way back to Leina now. So our whole session here took us just over half an hour, or about 45 minutes. This is all we got today, 4 fish. This is part of the stomach of the Niue. Just cleaned it. I already shown you before in some other videos how we clean and eat this. Pretty yummy. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Đấy, lòng có lo mình nó teng gang ấy. Woohoo! Gonna take it home. I was gonna eat it here, but the wife said take it home for a lunch snack. Here's some purple seaweed. Got it from the side of the clam. A lot of fish, quite a few fish today, but I think it's a time of day, pretty skittish. All over the place. Not only that, missed quite a few. Some got off my spear. At least managed to get 4. Got this fish for Hannah. This is Hannah's favorite fish. If you look up online, these fish here, they go from $300 up to $600 US. I feel like a rich man gonna be eating these. Oh, I think it's the roe. Get the gills out. Really nice fat fish. Got all these fats here. It's gonna be yum, yum, yummy. This is the only one I got out of the many that I attempted.
Oh, you lost a few. And you caught most of it. I don't. Maybe one.
Woohoo, look at these. 3 so far. Okay, then. Got this one for raw fish. So, in this little pool where a few of these were in, I got my net, chuck over them, and I got 10. I think there's about 5 left inside the pool, but at least I got one now, so I have this for a little raw fish snack before home time. And the rest I'm going to take home and do the same, or maybe just fry them up. Here's some mini goldfish. Woo! Beautiful. Just missing some lime.
And that's why we're taking the clam home. Get some lime and taro.
Yep, finished. Bucket for the fish. There we go. There's a little goatee. That's what they call the goatfish. This is a little goatee at the bottom here. Just suck out the eyeballs. That's it. Suck out all the flavors. When you're done, that's it. Got 9 left to eat.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why when we do our fish, clean them and gut them, we throw it up on top when it's low tide, just in case something like that comes up.
Okay guys, hope you enjoy this little short dive episode for today. All the way from Niue Island, left on the rock. Check right here. Looking forward to see you on our next video. Thank you for all of you for supporting our channel by your comments and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please support us by subscribing or dropping a comment. Everybody, as always, you take care, have fun out there. Peace. We have about 9 kalama plus the one that I ate at the sea, 2 kolalas, a niue and a palupuahu, and one nice sized clam over here.